Greeting guys, this is Walid, an Arabic tutor for non-native speakers. If it's the first time you watch me, subscribe my channel on YouTube and follow me via this page on Facebook. So let's go. Today we have a new class, a new episode. We are still on the Arabic course with the letters or alphabets in Arabic. And then we finished the whole letters with the first movements fatha, except two letters we are going to explain today. So I think also I give you a food for thought for the next class. I mean this one. Tell me then the name of this one. Yes, so let me then to explain first. First thing, let me to remind you how can I write down this one. Bring your notebook and your pencil and then go ahead. First, you have to write down a closed circle, small closed circle, and then connect this one with a vertical line, okay? Or like a curve like this. This and put one, or no, wait, put what? Fatha on the top, okay, our movement. So how can I pronounce it? Wa, wa. If you just see something, you surprise you have to say wow, right? Wow. So wow, this is our letter wa, wa, and open your mouth, okay? Wa, wa. Okay, so the last letter with the first movements fatha, this one. But let me then to remind you also how to write down this one. The easiest way to write down this one, write first a wide dash, and at the beginning of this wide dash, connect or write like a curved line, like this, like like a half circle, open half circle on the beginning. So like this shape, you know. And then you have to put two things. The first one, put two dots below it, two dots below this letter, and then the fatha or haraka movements on the top. So this is called, wait, let me to give you example first. In Arabic language, we just use a tool before if you want to call someone by his name. This is not English, like Ahmed or Khalid or Jack or no. In Arabic language, we have to use a tool before it. This one's called like ya Ahmed, ya John, ya Khalid. Oh wait, ya. Yeah, this is the name of our letter here. Yeah. Okay. So let me then to practice on these two letters. The first one, wa, and then yeah. And this is the end of our episode. If you like our videos, just share these videos to all your friends that are interested to learn Arabic from A to Z, and then do or make like to our videos. See you at the next class.